Hey guys, are you ready to launch into the tech career in just 3 months? Welcome to Data Driven Path. It's an academic design to equip young guys, young folks with practical steps on how to become a data analyst, virtual assistant, and also a data specialist. Here we'll be dropping videos every Tuesday and Saturday in every week. As you follow these videos, watch it carefully and do the practical, I bet you the next 3 months you will become an effective and efficient data analyst, a virtual assistant, and also a data specialist. Subscribe, invite your friends.
See you in class.